Yeah. So what are we going to see on stage now? There's a lot of different styles, a lot of different traditions. Yeah. You see the dancing girls there; they want to storm the stages right now. But it's still one language of music, and we have to seek for what we have in common. We have to keep up this tradition. Tradition is absolutely important for this. Yeah, and this is exactly what the Hamburg Garana is about. The Garana is a music school. You can learn this style, Indian music, and the person who does it should appear now. Is our tabla maestro, Harry Singh, with over 35 years of experience and more than 5,000 international performances, over 200 national international awards, and he's my friend. So he made it possible to bring all his students here. So we learning this tradition, even if we are not exactly from India like me. And of course there's Shubhla Devashis, who is not only an IT professional with a deep commitment to social services and the empowerment of women, mother of two and a total energy machine. But it's also the world's I wanted to written it down because I wanted to be exactly like this. But also the world's absolutely best organizer who made this year today possible. Join all these people together, everyone, I don't know, have you your harmonium, is all the microphones here, have we this one, she's like a mother to us, but this is like, you have to, very commanding, but we love her for that, otherwise this wouldn't be possible. So please join me on stage, Harry Singh and Shubhla Devashis. Oh yeah, please give them a hand. Microphone, yeah.
So I just missed some of the introduction what you said about me and Hariji. Can you repeat for a second something for us?
Okay, this is the most wonderful, beautiful woman. Apart from my wife over there, sorry. Yeah. And I said you are organizational talent, absolutely, and you energy machine who makes things like this possible, brings people here who would normally not be on one stage. So that's, and of course you heard what I was saying, right? Yeah. Okay.
Really? Okay.
Shall I repeat? No.
Thank you all of so much for being here, for speaking something which I don't know everyone understand. I just want to know how many of you speak English. Please raise your hand and can understand as well. How many of you can understand Hindi? All of you, very nice. I mean most of you. And German? Everyone. So the purpose here today is to be together. And how to be together is let us have all the languages together, no religion together, all the countries together, and enjoy the language of music, which is mostly the tune, the tempos, where we cannot judge people from which religion they are, from which country they are. So that's the main purpose. Thank you for joining everyone in the front row. Our guests of honor are there. Thank you so much. First, a big clap from all of them. So to start with, today we are starting Show Festival here in Hamburg. The purpose of Show Festival is to promote the class, speak too much, and just giving the microphone to Hariji for speaking maybe one line for his Guruji, because we are doing tribute to his Guruji today, the legendary Kausar Ali Ji.
Namaskar. पहले तो इतनी मुश्किल से आप सब यहाँ आए उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू और खासकर जो म्यूज़िक को चाहने वाले लोग भी यहाँ आए उनके लिए भी बहुत बहुत थैंक यू जो हम शो कर रहे हैं। तो बाकी बातें तो हो चुकी हैं तो हम लाइव पे चलते हैं।
So let's begin the show. Thank you. to begin the show, I would like to invite Mr. Ali Etamadi on stage. He will be, if I can see him and speak more about him. Thank you, Ali ji, for joining. He is such a good musician and he is from Afghanistan. As you can see, stage will be multi-culti together, one from Afghanistan and Harry ji is from India. And I would like to have some words from Ali ji also, because he is from very big Gharana and he could speak himself about him.
पहले तो सबको नमस्कार सलाम बहुत खुश हूँ मैं कि यहाँ इनवाइट हुआ हूँ because of Hari Bhai and Shuklata ji. It's a big honor to be here in this birthday for Ustad Kausar Ali Khan Sahab and also Asian Music Traditional Festival. And I belong in two big music gharanas. I'm a very little person, but the gharanas are big. Patiala Gharana is very famous, and also Sharpshooter Singh. And I'm trying to be a good spice of these two music schools. Music is all one. It's all about the colors and the feelings and the spices and the khushbus. So we have also here Ustad Ghulam Shabir Khan Sahab. He is also one of my teachers I respect. So inshallah, we will have a good program tonight with you all, your energies, and thanks to you, thanks to Harijan. If sound system शुरू में थोड़ा गड़बड़ है तो ये तो नॉर्मल है तो प्लीज़ हौसला का सब्र ले और शुरू करिए थैंक यू सो मच
Let's enjoy the show. I want to leave the stage, but as invited, I will sit here and explain the music to everyone. Thank you.
So, I'm going to start Tabla solo. The 10-15 minutes. With all blessing, the all musicians are here. By some mistake. Sorry.
आप सबकी इजाज़त से थोड़ा सा तबला सोलो पेश करूँगा 16 मात्रा में तो थोड़ा क्लासिकल है थोड़ा लाइट है थोड़ा सा डांस है सब मिक्स करके छोटा छोटा प्रोग्राम हमने अरेंज किया है तो होप आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा थैंक गाता हूँ। नाम गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोह भुजाचार एक दंत चंद्रमा ललाट राज ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल गए द्रुपद गा अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मेरे दंग बजा घट धरा के धर धर के ध्यान दिन दिन नागे नागे दिन दिन ताके नाना ताकी दिन ध्रिग ध्रिग धिना के करान 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 धरान करान 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 करान।
लिए आगे सफर में। बनारस तो सुन के चले। बनारस की साड़ियाँ बहुत फेमस है, बनारस के बिना आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे।
बनारस की एक खास बात है क्योंकि मेरे गुरुजी बनारस से थे खास, और मैं बेसिकली पैदा तो दिल्ली में हुआ, पंजाब से शिक्षा ली, पर बनारस के आगे अभी भी मैं मस्तक हूँ। बनारस आया इसलिए
बनारस घराना तक हम पहुंच गए, पर बनारस से हम पहुंच रहे हैं अब जर्मनी, हैम्बर्ग। अब हैम्बर्ग कैसे पहुंचे? बनारस से ये सीखते हुए पहुंचे हैं हैम्बर्ग में, और हैम्बर्ग में इनके साथ हमने एक बड़ा सा संगठन जोड़ लिया है। तो अब हम हैरी जी के साथ जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं एक छोटा सा परफॉर्मेंस साथ में करेंगे। तो चलते हैं हम बनारस से हैम्बर्ग की ओर।
You know already, Energy and Magma. And then we have very special Mo. Our second candidate here in blue, Jameel. Then we have Pawanji, Pawan Chawla ji to us. Then from last 5 years, who's really irritating me and loving me also, it's Sina Wahab. My own sister. And Shubhlata ji Vashisht. And then we have Olaf Nat. And you have to introduce her.
So we have our trump card, special entry, Aparna with us, who will be singing Guru Vandana with after, like when we are presenting our tabla to you. She will sing Guru Vandana with us. Thank you for joining. पसंद है। So let me have something more. With the rhythm, I will try to speak some तिहाई। आपको कुछ तिहाई सुनाते हैं। Let me come in with